So I'm going to launch my WPS. So when you launch your WPS, we have you select here or you click here the plus button, then you select documents. You select documents, then you select, you are going to write your ebook from scratch. So we have blank. You select on the blank. So here you now paste what you copied, then you now paste. So we have the final work here. So the topic, you can write copywriting. So if you want, you can highlight it. You can highlight it. You can align it to the center or the middle, and then when you check the button here, you can play with all these tools. You can play with all these tools, so you can make it bold. So when you select on the B to make it bold, you can also increase the size. This is the bold I was talking about. You can increase the size. You can also change the font style here, so you can play with the tools. You can even add a picture. Maybe if you are done and then you want to add book cover, you can add a picture here. So you can play with the tools. So after you are done, I go back again to my ChatGPT and then continue with my work. So this is what I was working with. After you are done, then you check for what you are going to write again. So we have advantages of copywriting. Advantages of copywriting. Then you go to your ChatGPT and then you ask advantages of copywriting. So we have advantages of copywriting. So when you get the answer, you copy as usual. You copy, you go to article rewriter tool. Then you paste to rewrite. You paste basic rewrite. So after it has finished rewriting our advantages of copywriting, so on top of it you can see advantages of copywriting. Then the rewriting has given us benefits of copywriting. It's still the same. So I copy the rewriting. I'm not going to check for the plagiarism again. So I just come to my WPS and then I copy and paste. I paste. So I have my copywriting. Then down I have advantages or benefits of copywriting. Then next I have types of copywriting. So I go to my ChatGPT and then you now go to types of copywriting. So it's giving me types of copywriting. So this is what I've created. This is what I've created. This is my ebook. This is my personal ebook. I hope you can remember the process. You go to ChatGPT, you ask your question, then you go to articlerewritertool.com to rewrite it, and then you paste it on your ebook. And I told you, you can use WPS, you can use Canva, you can use Google Docs, etc, etc. So after you are done, just select on done. You can save from here. So you can name your ebook copywriting. So here, if you want it to be in document, you can leave it in document. If you also want it to be in a PDF, mostly ebooks are in the form of PDF, so you change it to PDF. You can save it to either your phone or document. So we have PDF, so let me see whether I can check to see my work I did. So I go to WPS. Then you go to files. I saved it on my device. Documents. So you can see the work I did. So this is the work I did. So you open, and then you have your ebook.